All right, we are finally over here looking at this oak that I've been promising you guys we're going to take a look at. I'm guessing this is probably right around close to 30 foot long, but this has been down on the ground for years. I mean, there's a lot of punkiness down here on the outside, but there's still a lot of good heartwood. The two rounds that I've already cut are very dense and hard to move, but it's also going to be very dirty, right? So this has been sitting on the ground for a while, but we're gonna we'll get this thing bucked up and split. We'll see what we can get done today. I'm not expecting a whole lot of progress. I did bring, let's see, about that half of a basket. So we're gonna try to fill this thing up, get it unloaded back at the house, and then go from there. So let's get to it.
There we were, beneath the burning sky. The reason to live with so much more to die. Fate decide it has to go. Oh, oh. We both know pain, but we deal it too. But who's dealt more? Leave that up to
All right, guys, I think what I'm going to do now that we got those two rounds split the best I could and stacked in this basket, I think I'm just going to go ahead and head back, drop this basket off, come back with an empty bed. It's not squatting so bad on this side, but on the other side, just the way that the hill is, it's squatting pretty good. This wood is a lot heavier than I thought it was. It's still pretty wet, being on the ground. As I'm splitting it, I'm seeing a good bit of moisture. That water's kind of coming out there, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, come back, and then finish up. I do want to get 2 or 3 more rounds cut up before we have to quit for the day, and then get everything hauled back to the house and good to go. So let's go ahead and do that.
Again.
Well, it looks like I need a longer bar for the chainsaw. I need to do a 25-inch on this thing. Didn't cut all the way through. Down here, the closer edges, it did cut all the way through, but right where I'm splitting it, it didn't. And I think that's the reason it's not even breaking apart. So I think I go back to the other side here. I'm just going to cut the little nip that's holding it, and then I might have to touch the bottom, and then it should break apart. Then we can move this thing with the PV.
In my powder, my old worn trousers, some bread for the road. The call of a bugle, another refusal to wait for the snow. She knows that I'll grow slowly as a raindrop down a window pane. She knows that I'll hold the locket on a chain to keep the evil things away. Jesus, come briefly, dismiss me or keep me, just let me go home. She'll be burning a candle under the mantle when the evenings get cold. She knows that I'll grow slowly as a raindrop down a window pane. She knows that I'll hold the locket on a chain to keep the evil things away. She knows that I'll grow slowly as a raindrop down a window pane. She knows that I'll hold the locket on a chain to keep the evil things away.
All right, guys, got a lot of work done today. I'm gonna try and get this split a little bit smaller so that I can toss it in a truck a little easier. Then I'll get everything loaded up and call it a day here. I got 3 more rounds to finish off, but we'll have to come back another day for those. Just not enough hours in a day, it seems.